Good morning. You are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh sir classes. In this video series, we are going to discuss a solution of the question paper of the Combined Geo-Scientist main examination 2026 chemistry paper number 1. In this video series, already we have discussed solution of the lot of questions of the paper number 1, 2 and 3. Now, in today's video, we are going to discuss a question, and question is that phenol C6H5 points is a weak organic acid, okay, weak organic acid, and suppose 0.515 gram of the SAT compound is dissolved in enough water to make 125 ml of the solution. The resulting solution is titrate with 0.123 m NOH given K. K is given phenol for the phenol, and what is the pH of the original solution of phenol, and second one is the what is the pH of the solution at the equivalence point. There are the two types of the pH we will calculate. One is the original solution of pH of phenol and second is the equivalent point phenol. Okay. Now how to calculate the pH value again in this question paper, solve the pH value question. And pH is very important because of the it is a give very important information. So titration of phenol. In this question, titration of phenol is going on, and titrate the, and according to as a question, titrate 0.515 gram phenol in 125 ml 125 ml of ml with 0.123 m sodium hydroxide. Okay, sodium hydroxide, and also given the Ka. K is equal to 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 10. Now solve the what two questions. According to our theory concept, we can solve it easily. pH of the original solution. First calculation is the pH of original solution. pH of original solution we can calculate with the help of given data, and in this question the molarity of phenol is given. The molarity of phenol is equal to 0.515 by 94 upon 0.125 and approx 0.0438. Okay, now how to concentrate the pH value of H plus, that is the with the help of this formula is the K into C. C is the molarity, and put the value of the K. K value is given in our question 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 10 into 0.00, molarity is the 0.0438. Okay, now calculate this value. You will get the approx 2.38 into 10 to the power minus 6 m. Now put the value in the Henderson-Hasselbalch formula pH. pH is equal to minus log 2.38 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, this value put in this equation and you will get the new value approx 5.62. The pH of the original phenol solution is the 5.62. It is the acidic in nature because of value of the pH is below the 7. Now calculation of the second of the question is the pH value of the after what is the question, 1 minute. What is the pH of the solution at the equivalence point? Okay, at the equivalence point, and pH of the equivalence point, pH of equivalence. Okay, so now moles phenol is equal to approx 0.00548. Okay, and volume of sodium hydroxide is also given is equal to, and you can calculate also with the help of the formula. You can write volume of sodium hydroxide. Volume of sodium hydroxide is equal to 0.00548 divided by 0.123 there moles. Okay, it is the mole of phenol, and we can calculate C is equal to NV equation. Okay, the volume calculation. The volume calculation V is equal to N by C. C is the molarity, N is the moles. Okay, now values put in this formula, and you will get the, after the calculation, you will get the approx 44.5 ml. Right? Now total volume, calculation of the total volume. Total volume is equal to 169.5 ml. Clear? Now concentration of the salt, because of the formation of salt, it is a reversible reaction, and equilibrium constant C6H5O negative. Okay, after the reaction, right? And you will put the value 0.000548 number of moles divided by again volume. Molarity. Molarity is the 0.1695, and you will get the approx volume is equal to 0.0323. Okay, M. Right? Now, value of the KH. KH means it's concentration, equilibrium constant. KH is the equilibrium constant. Here the K water, because of the this reaction is going on in the aqueous solution. So Kw upon K. K is given in our question, and what is the value of K? It is the pH of the water, the 40, and K is given in our question 1.3 10 to the power minus 10, and after the calculation we will get approx 7.69 into 10 to the power minus 5, and calculation of the hydrogen ion, OH ion, and OH ion, how to calculate the KH into C. What is the value of KH? KH is equal to 0.00157. Okay, and M, after the calculation we will get this, and POH. pH of the acid is the 2.8. Minus, you can minus from the 14, that is the you can solve this like that. pH is equal to 14 minus pH, that is the 2.8, you will get the 11.2. It is the pH of the our equivalent point. You can solve this question on the basis of the this formula. Okay, thank you.